gonna show you guys how to do the lantern activity for Monday.
So what you need are metal bars, the white lantern, markers, and your yellow sheet of paper.
So first, you're gonna get your middle bar. There's two faces to the lantern. There's a smaller hole and a bigger hole. You're gonna put the bigger hole on top. Then you're gonna get your metal bar, put it in the center like so. And then if I can get my assistant to help me pick it up, it's gonna expand. It's gonna be a little hard to get it all the way up. And you might have to push a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so now your lantern's extended. Then you're gonna get your yellow sheet of paper and you're gonna write down your advisory teacher's name.
Just like this.
So for us, that's Spanos. Then you're gonna put it right smack dab in the middle, and you're gonna tape it on, and then you're gonna write things you're grateful for all around it. So we'll be giving you guys markers, and once you guys get those markers, you can decorate your lantern with things that you're grateful for. You can write out sentences, you can draw. This one's mine, I like strawberries. And yeah, then we're gonna be collecting these on Tuesday during advisory, and we'll be hanging them up for the rest of the week.